So it's been really windy today, and my greenhouse moved. These bricks were on the edge of it. It moved like a foot, 2 foot. It moved like 2 foot. This is crazy. That wind is fucking strong. I even got it tied down in the inside. You can see the ropes in there. I got tied down these fools with weights. Oh my God. Look how far this thing moved. Holy smokes. Oh my God, it's pushed this way too. It's pushed all my plants off the edge. This is crazy. It is freaking windy. Yeah, it's moved at least 1.5 foot over here too. It used to be like right here. Oh my gosh, I was wondering why. I came home at lunch because I noticed that this door area was kind of broken. It must have, when it slid, it kind of broke the door a little more. Oh geez, I had to go in, it's freezing.